Are you learning to drive? Let me save you from failing your test. Today, I'm revealing the top 10 mistakes new drivers make, and most importantly, how you can avoid them so you pass on the first try. Number 1. Not using your mirrors. Your examiner wants to see constant awareness. Check your mirrors before signaling, changing lanes, or slowing down. Simple, but many forget. Slamming the brakes when you panic? That's a big no. Instead, look ahead early and press gently. Smooth braking keeps you safe and impresses the examiner. A rolling stop will almost always fail your test. Always bring the car to a complete stop and check left and right before moving. Stay centered in your lane. Drifting makes examiners nervous. Use reference points like the center of your dashboard aligned with the road line. Signals are your language on the road. Forgetting to indicate at turns or lane changes is one of the fastest ways to fail.
Before we jump into the next 5 mistakes, quick question. Which of these have you done while learning? Comment below. I'll be replying.
New drivers often speed without realizing it. Always drive at a speed that's safe for the road conditions, not just the limit. Don't stall under pressure. Practice finding your clutch's biting point to move off smoothly. Roundabouts confuse many learners. Always look right, then left, then right again before entering. Mirrors alone aren't enough. Always glance over your shoulder before changing lanes. This tiny move saves lives. The biggest mistake isn't on the road, it's in your mind. Panic makes you forget basics. Breathe, stay calm, and remember, examiners don't expect perfection, just safe driving. So there you have it, the top 10 mistakes new drivers make. If you avoid these, your chances of passing go way up.